Have you ever wondered what the original audio shown in the reels mean? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through what original audio means on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open Instagram. As you can see in this reel at the bottom, it says original audio. Now if we tap on the music, it shows the name of the profile itself. That means the audio is original to the specific video. As there is no music added through the app, it doesn't recognize the audio, so it says that the audio belongs to the user. Now if we go back and scroll down and tap on the music of this reel, it shows the artist and the name of the song together. It means the audio is not original to the specific video and that the music was added within the app before posting. And this is what original audio mean on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.